What if I told you that the meat sitting in your grocery store right now, the kind most doctors never mention, could be quietly helping your kidneys flush out built-up toxins, filter your blood more efficiently, and even repair damage that's been accumulating for years? And what if I also told you that some of the most popular meats that seniors eat every single day are actually making your kidneys work twice as hard, silently draining them? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you are going to know exactly which 4 meats to choose, which ones to avoid, and how to eat them in a way that truly protects those 2 little organs doing the biggest job in your entire body. But first, and this is important, I need you to understand something that most people get completely wrong about kidneys and protein. Because if you miss this part, even the healthiest meat on this list could work against you. So don't skip ahead. Your kidneys are 2 fist-sized powerhouses sitting just below your ribcage, and every single minute of every single day, they filter about half a cup of blood. Every minute. By the time you finish watching this video, your kidneys will have filtered roughly 15 liters of blood. They remove waste, balance minerals, regulate blood pressure, and produce hormones your bones need to stay strong. For seniors especially, kidney function naturally begins to decline after the age of 60. That's not a scare tactic, that's biology. And what you put on your plate either helps those kidneys keep up with their workload, or quietly buries them under a mountain of extra stress. Now here's where protein and meat come in. Your kidneys are responsible for filtering the byproducts of protein digestion, specifically something called urea. When you eat too much of the wrong protein, or protein that's hard to process, your kidneys have to work overtime. Over time, that extra strain can accelerate the very kidney damage you're trying to prevent. But when you choose the right meat, lower in phosphorus, lower in potassium where needed, easy to digest, and rich in the specific amino acids that support tissue repair, you give your kidneys a fighting chance. You actually help them do their job better. And that's exactly what our top 4 meats do. Let's start with number 1, and this one surprises almost everyone. Egg whites paired with very lean chicken breast, specifically the skinless, boneless variety, form the gold standard combination for kidney-friendly protein. Now, I know you might be thinking, chicken again. But hear me out, because the way chicken supports kidney health goes far beyond what most people realize. Skinless chicken breast is one of the lowest phosphorus meats available. Phosphorus is a mineral that damaged kidneys struggle to filter properly, and when it builds up in your blood, it starts pulling calcium from your bones, weakening them, and causing painful deposits in your blood vessels. A 3-ounce portion of skinless chicken breast contains roughly 220 milligrams of phosphorus, significantly lower than beef or processed meats, which can clock in at 350 milligrams or more for the same portion. Chicken breast also gives you high-quality complete protein, all 9 essential amino acids, which your body uses to repair kidney tissue, maintain muscle mass, and keep your immune system sharp. The key is preparation. Boiled, baked, or lightly grilled with herbs, not fried, not marinated in salty sauces. Seasoning with fresh lemon, garlic, and rosemary gives you incredible flavor while actually adding anti-inflammatory compounds that further support kidney filtration. Aim for 3 to 4 ounces per meal, not a giant portion, and your kidneys will thank you. Number 2 on our list is one of the most underrated proteins in senior nutrition, and it's been sitting in the freezer aisle this whole time. Turkey breast, not the processed deli kind, but fresh, whole turkey breast, is an exceptional kidney-supporting meat. Here's why this matters so much. Turkey is naturally rich in B vitamins, particularly B6 and niacin, both of which play a direct role in how efficiently your kidneys convert and excrete waste products. Studies published in nutrition journals have consistently shown that B vitamin deficiencies are linked to faster progression of chronic kidney disease. Turkey also contains a compound called tryptophan, which the body converts into serotonin, helping with sleep quality, and good sleep is when your kidneys do their deepest repair work. Think about that. The meat you eat for dinner is literally setting up your kidneys for an overnight healing session. Fresh turkey breast is also lower in saturated fat than most red meats, which protects the blood vessels that feed your kidneys. When those vessels are clear and healthy, blood flows through the kidneys smoothly, filtration improves, and toxins get cleared out faster. Roast it simply on a Sunday, and you have a week's worth of easy, kidney-friendly protein ready to go. Now, number 3 might genuinely surprise you, because this one has a bit of a controversial reputation. Salmon. And specifically wild-caught salmon. I know some kidney health guides steer seniors away from fish because of potassium content, but here's what those blanket warnings miss. Wild-caught salmon contains omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, that actively reduce inflammation inside the kidneys themselves. Chronic low-grade inflammation is one of the primary drivers of kidney deterioration in older adults. It quietly damages the tiny filtering units called nephrons, and once those are gone, they don't grow back. Omega-3s from wild salmon have been shown in multiple clinical studies to lower levels of inflammatory markers like CRP and Illinois-6, both of which are directly associated with kidney scarring. A 3-ounce serving of wild salmon provides about 1,500 to 2,000 milligrams of omega-3s, a therapeutic dose in a single meal. Salmon also delivers astaxanthin, the pink pigment that gives it its color and acts as one of the most powerful antioxidants found in any food. Antioxidants neutralize the free radicals that build up as toxic byproducts in your blood, literally reducing the load your kidneys have to filter. 2 to 3 servings per week, baked or gently poached, is the sweet spot. If you have advanced kidney disease, please check with your doctor first about portion sizes. But for the majority of seniors focused on prevention and maintenance, salmon is genuinely one of the best things you can eat. And number 4, this one is the sleeper pick of the entire list. Lean lamb, specifically the loin cut, trimmed of visible fat. Now, lamb doesn't get much attention in the kidney health conversation, but research from the Journal of Renal Nutrition has highlighted something fascinating. Lamb contains a unique combination of zinc and selenium at levels that are particularly beneficial for kidney cell repair. Zinc is essential for the production of enzymes that help kidneys regulate fluid balance and blood pressure. Selenium acts as a cofactor for glutathione peroxidase, one of the body's most important detoxifying enzymes, produced right inside the kidney cells themselves. When selenium levels are low, kidney cells become more vulnerable to oxidative damage. Just 3 ounces of lean lamb loin delivers about 35 to 40% of your daily selenium needs in one sitting. Lamb is also a rich source of carnitine, a compound that helps cells convert fat into energy, reducing fatty deposits that can accumulate around kidney tissue in older adults and impair function over time. Choose the loin, trim the fat, and prepare it simply, roasted with lemon zest and fresh herbs. Once or twice a week is plenty. So let's bring it all together, because this is the part that makes everything work. The 4 meats, skinless chicken breast, fresh turkey breast, wild-caught salmon, and lean lamb loin, all share something in common beyond their individual benefits. They are all low in advanced glycation end products, or AGEs. AGEs are toxic compounds formed when meat is cooked at very high temperatures, especially grilling, frying, or charring. They circulate in your blood, trigger inflammation, and land directly in your kidneys, accelerating damage. The solution isn't to stop eating meat, it's to cook it gently. Bake, poach, steam, or slow cook. Add an acid like lemon juice or vinegar before cooking. Research shows it can reduce AGE formation by up to 50%. Keep portions moderate, 3 to 4 ounces per meal. And pair your meat with hydrating, kidney-friendly vegetables like cucumber, cabbage, and cauliflower to help flush the filtration pathways clean. Your kidneys have been quietly working for you every moment of your life. They don't ask for much, just the right fuel, the right portions, and a little bit of daily attention. Start with these 4 meats this week. Cook them simply. Eat them consistently. And give those remarkable, tireless organs of yours the support they have always deserved. If this helped you today, share it with someone you love. And stay tuned, because next, we are covering the 5 drinks that kidney specialists wish every senior knew about. You won't want to miss it.